Hi friends, welcome back to the Dollar Tree. Nice tablecloths here. And spring sign. Butterfly kisses, flower petal wishes. Sweet spring. And welcome. These are nice little spring plates. Alright friends, this is an Easter giant coloring and activity book. Easter Adventures Coloring and Activity. Cute little plushes here. Nice size for $1.25, guys. Oh yes, oops. Cute, cute. Unicorns spring celebration. I'm a little unicorn, and I'm happy spring has sprung. Now it's time to celebrate with everyone. Nice. Look how pretty these gnomes are, guys. $1.25, and these are large. Ooh. Cute Easter sign. Egg-shaped container. Yard stake. More gnomes. Alright friends, another beautiful wall. This one says, shake your bunny tail, hip hop. Nice. Cottontail Carrot Farm, open daily, bunnies, carrots, and chocolates. Ooh, those steaks are really pretty. Okay, so this is a planter pot chain. Plant food spikes. Planter saucer. You get a 3-pack or a 6-pack. This is a rolling plant tray. It's nice. This is so nice, guys, when you fill it up with flowers. Let's see. Yeah, here's a picture. Isn't that pretty? For $1.25, you can't beat it. And you can never get too many of these guys, these pruners. And they have the needlepoint pruner. Metal thermometer. Seven pattern spray nozzle. Plant clips. Plant clips. What are these used for? Are these to hold up your tree, your limbs? Is that what these are for? Because I know my lime lights, they flop every year. I wonder if this is what it's for. Huh. Okay. Garden tools. More yardsticks. Ooh, look at this one. How pretty is that? And more planters here. All shapes and sizes. Alrighty friends, plenty of candy, of course, $1.25 for everything that I'm going to show you.
Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you guys.
Soured Easter grass. Gummy carrots, jelly beans, nice. More jelly beans here. This is a lot here. Alright friends, they have the St. Patrick's cards already here. So, you know, I have to read at least one. Let's see. Let's look at this one. This one says, Happy St. Patrick's Day. Wishing you a day that's special, a day you'll never forget. A truly happy St. Patrick's Day and grandest ever yet. And in the year to follow, whatever you may do, may the luck of the Irish always go hand in hand with you. Oh, that's nice. Faith, family, and friends. Happy St. Joseph's Day. Hello. Wear some green and have some fun. Well, alrighty, sir. It's hard to find a card that says Happy St. Patrick's Day to a really special person like you, but I finally did. A beautiful pattern over here on the bowls, mugs, plates, and pot holders and towels. Okay, this blue is really pretty. Nice glass. And this mug says Happy Spring. Ooh, taper mats too. Chargers are two-tone. Those are nice. Clear with the gold trim. Okay. So we have bulbs here. Herbs. Four for $125. We're going to be these seeds. Alrighty, friends, we get these gloves. $125, a great deal. And kneeling pads. Metal hook. Garden flag. Plant label, a pack of 10. And trellis, $125. Fairy garden decor. Pink is pretty. Live, love, garden. What a wonderful world. Ooh, nice, guys. Flower pot hugger. These are nice. Well, alrighty, my friends, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and until next time, you all be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next one.